Hermes loops are one of the best free updates Hermes has ever shipped. And Hermes just got a brand new command that makes your AI agent work whilst you don't. So you can simply type a line and your agent checks on your business every few minutes all by itself. So it watches your stuff, it messages you the moment something changes, like a text from an employee who never forgets to report in. And here's the best part, it lands right in your WhatsApp, on your phone, in your pocket. So there is one setting most people are going to miss, and it decides whether this update saves you time or wastes it. I'll show you exactly what that is later in this video. If you stick with me to the end, I promise you'll walk away with an AI agent that watches your business 24/7 for free whilst you sleep, whilst you go to the gym, and whilst you do literally anything else. Let's get straight into it. Kazra, have you seen this new update /loop?
I have seen the announcement. I'm hoping that everything you've said I'll be able to achieve by the end of the video.
There we go. There we go. We can't end this video until you actually achieve what I've promised here. So, just to be clear for anyone watching, like, first of all, this is Hermes Agent, so you can just use this new feature. You have to update, so you want to make sure that you update Hermes. You can just run Hermes update inside your terminal, and then once that's done, you can type /loop, and you actually say how long you want the loop to go for, so how long it's going to loop around for, and then from there, you can say, for example, I don't know, like, check if my blog post is indexed yet, just as a totally random example. And basically what this does is you've got the command, you set how often it's going to loop round for, and then it basically circles around and wakes up every 5 minutes until something stops it. Until, for example...
So this is almost like a cron job where it just continuously goes, and if something happens, it will actually end up sending you a WhatsApp or a Telegram.
Yeah, exactly. So, like, even the co-founder of Hermes actually said that. It's like cron jobs, but inside a session. Right, so it behaves like a scheduled job, but it lives inside your chat with your contacts and everything else that you're doing. Whereas, for example, like a normal cron job wouldn't live with that, and also it wouldn't be inside a normal conversation. And yeah, that's one of the big differences between.
That's really interesting. Do you know what? They kind of reminds what Claudebot.
Yeah.
But obviously, with Claudebot, it would always like collapse on itself, and it would end up forgetting the cron.
Yeah, that's it. And you know, some people will be watching this and still don't get it. Like, why would you use loops if you have goals and you have schedules? But like, schedules is something that runs every single day. Goals is something that runs like for long-term, long horizon coding tasks, 3-hour tasks. But loops are really just for like checking or watching something in like one conversation. So it's like, it's something that you do short term.
See, so it could be, for example, okay, would you set this as a loop? Ping me a message whenever Julian Goldie, would that be a loop, or would that be a goal?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So it can be something where it could be like, okay, yeah, let's say, for example, you're monitoring your competitors and you're like, okay, check, for example, if my competitors have changed the page like every 1 hour inside that conversation. And then once that's done, then tell me. And that's when the loop would finish. So it's looping round over. So it's like, it's really good for checking. It runs on a timer. It's just keeping watch, like it's not chasing. If you look at a scheduled task like a cron job, it would do that on a schedule whether I'm here or not. So this is more for a conversation. This is more for like a scheduled task. And /goal, some people ask, so I'll cover it. This is more for like, get it done and just keep going until it's done.
Okay, so when, let's say we set it up for like your Twitter and it's doing a loop and it's tasked to just message me on Telegram whenever you do it, will it only do it the first time? Or let's say you do 5 tweets, will it do it for everyone?
No, I think it will finish when that job is completed, as far as I'm aware. So like, there's 5 ways that the loop can end itself. So the agent says it's done. There's proof that it's finished. Maybe you had like a timing cap that you set. You can end it at any time. And also that there's actually a safety net. So like, it's not just run forever and using up all your tokens.
All right, okay.
So for example, some people will be like, okay, well, when do you run a loop? And when do you run, for example, like a goal? And the goal would be like, okay, well, you need to build a website and you just need it to run for hours. Whereas, for example, a loop is something where you set the timing and you just keep going. Also, you can have like self-paced loops as well, where you actually leave the time out.
That's very interesting. One thing that you showed at the top, you meant specify time, right? I think by default the prompt 5 Would you be able to do it for like a day? So like every 5 days at 5.
That's an interesting one. I haven't actually tested that out. I was just thinking in terms of minutes because it's inside the session that you're already running. So like,
I see.
If you go away, you're probably going to end the session, and so you would probably want like something like a scheduled task for that, like a cron job.
That makes
Yeah.
sense. So this is for more short bursts. Like let's say for example you are using it to like get certain tweets or certain trends. For example, that makes a lot.
Yeah, like I mean, another example for some people watching this would be super relevant is like it could be like, okay, tell me. Let's say for example, all the hype is saying like, okay, Claude Fable 5.1 is coming out soon. So it could be like, right, okay, well, check the Claude Twitter and tell me once they tweet, and it just loops around every 5 minutes or every 30 minutes.
That's very interesting. I think people need to be a little bit careful with this as well because you don't want it doing some every 30 seconds, 1 minute, and your eye back. So I think people need to be careful.
Yeah, yeah, that's it for sure, for sure. By the way, your camera is switched off. So either way, that is loops, my friends, and Castro is looping round as well. So that's basically it. I mean, as promised, you now have a system where you can walk away. Your AI agent watches everything 24/7. It is a free update. You know how to update. You know how to set it, which is /loop. You know how to set the time interval, and also you don't have to set the time if you don't want to. So that's basically the system. If you want to learn more about this sort of stuff, check out the new search from Kazra Dash. This is a school group where you can learn how to rank with SEO, how to rank with AI SEO as well. And then also, if you want to learn more about AI automation, how to use it, how to grow with it, feel free to check out the AI Profit Boarding. Link in the comments description or go to the AIprofitboarding.com. Thanks for watching.